Are you looking for a great way to help you relax and think better when doing your homework?
Yay!
Well, today we will be making easy thinking putty with a surprise that will help with just that. So stay tuned to learn this easy recipe with us and don't miss out on our surprise. This is an easy putty recipe and you will only need a few things. 120 ml of white school glue, 1/4 of a cup of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of hot water, 1/4 of a teaspoon of borax powder, and 2 to 5 drops of food coloring. We will be using blue and pink. This DIY putty recipe takes less than 5 minutes to make, so let's get started. Step 1. Pour the glue into a bowl. Then add in the cornstarch and mix together. Thinking putty can help you be more focused. Step 2. Now add in the food coloring and mix it all together. Step 3. In a separate bowl, mix the hot water and borax powder together until dissolved. Did you know that when you pull, stretch, squish and squeeze putty, it helps lower stress levels? Step 4. Now add the water mixture to the glue and mix it together. This putty is great for strengthening children's hand muscles. It's time to add the surprise, but shh, Tatiana doesn't know what it is. A necklace, 2 rings and a coin. Now I'm just going to add this and fold it into the putty. Let's see if she can guess what it is. Can you find the surprise? There are more. Can you find the others?
It's another ring. Beautiful ring.
2 more.
I found a coin.
A necklace.
That was so easy!
into your kitchen or craft area and make your own thinking putty. Oh, please remember to subscribe to our channel. See you all next time. Goodbye.